Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel of daily tech news and reviews. So Huawei's smartphone business is struggling due to the ban by the United States, because Huawei has no access to use Google services on their devices. But I would say, despite having the ban, the company is making constant efforts to provide a well-rounded software experience on its devices. And as we all know, Huawei is working on its own operating system called Harmony OS, but it has also released a couple of alternatives to Google services. Like they launched the Huawei Mobile Services, and Huawei App Gallery, Petal Search and the Petal Maps over the past few years, which are basically the alternatives of Google Search and Google Maps. And now it seems Huawei is taking another step in the same direction. It now has an alternative for Gmail called Petal Mail. Yes, you can register yourself on the Petal Mail to get your own email ID, which is great, and honestly speaking, it feels really good to see a company working hard to bring alternatives. You know, Gmail is the most used application around the globe, and now Huawei has its alternative, which is phenomenal. Anyway, here is a screenshot of Huawei's Petal Mail service, and it seems to have a very minimal interface at the moment, with a couple of options in the side menu. These include Inbox, Draft, Send, Trash, and Spam. The interface is divided into two columns, with the first column presumably to show all the emails in a user's inbox, and the second one is to show the selected email in an expanded form, and as for me it's look like similar to the Outlook. And as of now it's not yet available in the app gallery, because still under development, but for sure we will gonna see this Petal Mail soon. But right now this is it. This is the Huawei's Petal Mail services in action. But before further ado, if you like somehow what you see here, subscribe to the channel will definitely awesome. Now let's get back to the video. Well, Huawei is not only bringing alternatives to Google Apps, but they're also getting recognized globally. That's because Huawei shared a news which revealed that Huawei has successfully brought over more than 100 million active users to its latest EMUI 11 operating system, with the next stop being Harmony operating system. In other words, EMUI 11 will effectively be the last version of custom skin. It was previously rumored that the process will not be immediate, as the smartphone manufacturer aimed to transfer the EMUI 11 enabled devices to the Harmony operating system through EMUI 11.1. But now, it seems it's happening really soon. But forget it, the main thing is that people around the globe is now joining Huawei Mobile Services, which is I'm super excited. So guys, what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you somehow like this video, subscribe to the channel will definitely great reward for me, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.